Welcome back to part 4, where I'll be showing you how I decorated the number 1 cookie in my mermaid set. Start by outlining and flooding the number 1 section using a flooding consistency icing. For more information on the consistencies that I use when decorating, watch my How to Make Royal Icing video. After letting that section completely dry, I airbrushed the scales on top. If you do not own an airbrush, you could always pipe the scales with a detailed consistency icing instead. Next, I used a white flood consistency icing to outline and flood the bottom section. Unfortunately, I was unable to get the last video for this cookie of me piping the letters on the bottom section. I projected it with a projector and traced it. There is also other methods you can use, such as the tissue paper method. If you want to learn more about the tissue paper method, keep an eye out for a future video where I will show how that can be used. Here is the finished set with all 4 cookies. Thank you for watching and let me know if you have any questions.